Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL crashing on Steam. All right, let's begin. The most common fix for the fatal error message in REANIMAL involves forcing the game to run on an older version of DirectX. Since Windows 10 and 11 often default to DirectX 12, this can cause instability. To fix this, right-click REANIMAL in your Steam library and select Properties. Under the General tab, find the Launch Options box, type in DX11 and close the window. This bypasses unstable shaders and resolves most startup crashes. If the game crashes during a specific cutscene, a file might be corrupted. Go back to Properties, click Install Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files to re-download broken data. For crashes during the hairy monster chase, this is a known issue with nanite geometry. Enter your in-game advanced video settings, turn nanite off, and drop the quality to low. Finally, if you experience a black screen with audio, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B to reset your GPU driver. Ensure you have the latest drivers from the NVIDIA or AMD website to maintain stability. So that's basically how you can fix REANIMAL crashing on Steam. That's it for this video. Thanks.